Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today, we're looking at Apple. Now, Apple has moved up and it's moved down. It's had some pretty good oscillations. It looks like now might be a good time to buy because it looks like it's going up. Alright, let's go back a little ways. You can see back here, we had a few green arrows and we had a good indicator here above 80%. And the stock rose up to 138. But then it took a little bit of a dip, but we didn't really get an indication that it was going to do that a lot until after it's already happened. So you might have gained a little bit there, but there was some huge selling pressure here. You can see the MACD. But overall, it's been kind of trading in a range, slightly up over the last year, 9 months. You can see here, it's kind of didn't know what it was going to do. It came down a little bit. There's a good buying opportunity in here. It said, hey, right here's basically 3 green arrows. My system here looks pretty good. And then some red arrows, and it went down. Didn't go down a lot, but now it seems like there's a green arrow here, green arrow here, green arrow here, which means market sentiment is going to push this thing higher potentially. With no more negative news, it's probably going higher. So it might be time for me to sell another put in Apple. I've been slowly accumulating it. You guys been watching my videos. You can see I've had some shares sitting in my one account, just kind of waiting for a move, an indication. And now might be the time to sell a put and generate some capital. Alright guys, what do you guys think about Apple? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, we'll see what happens here. I know the Apple car is really exciting. They've had a bunch of chip shortage issues. I'm not really sure how that's going to affect Apple in the short term, but long term, I really love the company. We'll see what happens, I guess. Alright, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And we'll see what happens here with all these, with the market sentiment in Apple. Trading volume has been kind of decreasing in Apple over the last few months. Interesting. I mean, we had a lot of trading volume back here. The price is going up, but the trading volume has been going down recently. Interesting. That's an interesting trend. Alright, tell me what you guys think in the comments below, what that means. Alright guys, and try to do this again, see how things go for Apple. Be sure to subscribe, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching.